Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheddar sauce. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of whole milk, and 8 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese, freshly grated. For seasoning, have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of dry mustard powder ready. Having everything measured and prepared makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Our next step is to create the roux, the foundation of our sauce. In a medium saucepan, melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Once the butter is fully melted and slightly foamy, whisk in 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Continue whisking for about 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture forms a smooth, pale paste. This cooking time is crucial to eliminate any raw flour taste, ensuring a delicious and velvety sauce. Now, let's achieve that creamy consistency. Slowly pour in 2 cups of cold whole milk, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Add the milk in small increments, allowing each addition to fully incorporate before adding more. Once all the milk is added and the sauce has thickened to your desired consistency, remove the saucepan from the heat. Immediately stir in the 8 ounces of freshly grated sharp cheddar cheese until it's completely melted and smooth. For the final touches, season your rich cheddar sauce. Stir in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of dry mustard powder. Taste the sauce and adjust any seasonings to your preference, ensuring a perfectly balanced flavor profile. Serve your warm, velvety cheddar sauce immediately. It's wonderfully versatile, perfect for drizzling over steamed vegetables, pasta, or even as a delicious dip for nachos. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.